Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to extend a C drive. As you see, my C drive shows that it has 33,2 GB space. If I open the computer management, if you press Windows key and X at the same time, and then click on computer management, and then disk management, click on disk management, then as you see here I have 6 GB unallocated space. If I click here on C drive extend volume, it is not active. It's not active. So how can I extend the C drive? You can you can simply open your browser and enter Minitool Partition wizard. Click on this link and download it for free. So here the software is downloaded. I am going to install this software by double clicking on this software, confirming with yes. The language should be English, correct? And here I am choosing continue installing with free edition. Click next. Next. So the installation is completed. So now I can click on finish. So here the application is opened. Right click on C drive and then click on extend. Minitool has found that there is 6 GB unallocated space on this machine. So I'm going to take the whole space. If you want to take a part of this unallocated space, so you can adjust with your mouse. So I'm taking the whole 6 GB and then click OK. And then click apply, then click yes. So it was very fast. Click OK. If I see right now there is no allocated space, so my C drive is extended to 69,23 GB. So here also I can see 69,2 GB. So I don't need any more this application. I can remove it from my computer. To remove it, open your control panel and then program and features, and then you can click on it and click uninstall. Yes. OK, and click on Minitool, the next spot, click on install, confirm it with yes. Yes. So here it is. I hope this video could help you. Thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video. Bye.